Hey, what's up, money makers? Welcome back to the channel and Cardano to the moon. So let's talk about Cardano ADA. What's going on? We talked in my last video that Cardano is ready for a big pump, and here we are. As you can see, in last 1 week, Cardano went to $2.40. Right now it's $2.69, but it went as high as, I want to say, $2.76 since this morning. Let's take a look right here. Actually $2.80, as you can see, and this was really a predictable pump. You can watch my previous video. I also talked on my private Discord with the Discord members when it was $2.45 just this week before a couple of days, and we were all expecting that the Cardano will spike in price. So what we are going to talk about in this video, the first one is Cardano spike is likely to continue because of the September 12th catalyst. I'll talk about more what September 12th catalyst mean. That is just tomorrow for Cardano and the smart contract and the future of the cryptocurrency as well, and why it is a big deal. On the top of that, I also want to talk about proof of stake and energy consumption, that Cardano is already beating Ethereum, and Ethereum has been marked as a worse cryptocurrency in comparison to some of the altcoins. So we'll talk about all that. I'll be able to share some of the discussion, some of the data around that as well, and the top 5 or 6 cryptocurrency thinking from proof of stake. So we'll talk about that. We'll do the price prediction for Cardano as well, not my personal price prediction, but from the analyst who has really looked deeper into this and what it can mean for Cardano cryptocurrency, ADA cryptocurrency, and their price point. So we'll talk about that, and I will share my research and analysis, and we'll talk about what I think in terms of where the Cardano can hit. Remember, I talked about Cardano is hitting all-time high about $3 level. I don't have a crystal ball, so I mentioned that I don't know exactly when, but somewhere near the date range as we get closer to the September 12th. At the same time, I want to warn you with the buy the rumor, sell the news effect if it spikes all the way high. But the future of Cardano price point is looking pretty promising. If you're into swing trade, you definitely want to watch out for the price movement. If you're holding for long term, which I would recommend, though I'm not a financial advisor nor any certified professional, but just wanted to share with you, if you're looking for a long term, I do believe, I'm pretty bullish personally on Cardano in looking into all the cryptocurrencies, that it has a pretty good future. Right now it's top 3 most valued cryptocurrency in terms of the market cap. Let's talk about all this juicy stuff. If you haven't clicked on the like button, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel because I've been sharing a ton of information. Remember Astra Space, we talked when it was $8.99, $9.20. Right now it's $9.70. Remember Cardano, we talked about when it was $1.25. We recently talked day before yesterday, $2.40. Right now, take a look, $2.80. I'm not saying I really have any crystal ball, but I do a ton of analysis, research, and I like to share it with you, hoping you can make informed financial decision. Without further delay, it doesn't cost you anything. Click on the like button so this video can reach to more and more people. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and help me out as well. It does not really cost you anything. So let's take a look. Starting today, this morning around 5:20 a.m. Eastern time, Cardano started spiking up from $2 to 40 cents. Take a look, it went to $2.33, and we talked about Cardano since it was $1.25, $2.15, latest $2 and I believe 35-40 cents, and it spiked right up $2.80 right now. If you take a look at the volume is 8.3 billion in last 24 hours. Pretty massive volume. Circulating supply, one of the advantage compared to, if you think about Dogecoin and many other coins, it has a very limited circulation supply, at least at the moment. 32 billion ADA. Typical hold time is pretty healthy as well, 67 days, and you know that median time that the customers hold or the holders hold a particular cryptocurrency, that Coinbase notes out and shares that information with us. And the market cap of Cardano is $88 billion at the moment. Looking at this, and let's take a look at how the cryptos are trading. If I refresh the screen, we can get the refreshed information, and we'll wait for a second. Sorry for the technical difficulty right here, and it doesn't want to load. So let's go back to this article that I wanted to talk about. ADA surges over 13%. ADA Cardano surges over 30%, 13%. Cryptocurrency analysts say might be ready for $5. And think about it. Why? This is the latest article this morning or this afternoon. Let's take a look. And I truly believe into this chart and what they're talking about here. September 11th, Cardano token is highest percentage gainer among the top 10 crypto assets with nearly 14% surge in past 24 hours. And this is seriously continuing at the moment as well. I wanted to really quickly show you the most this particular thing right here, the most gain cryptocurrency. It's 54% in last 30 days. Think about it. This is great. It's 16%, close to 16% up in last 24 hours as well. It's down in last 7 days, but I think this is going to be wiped out by tomorrow because there is one more spike coming because of the catalyst on September 12th. Now, if that gets delayed, there might be a little bit of a downturn swing, of course, because people are betting a on the catalyst tomorrow for this network upgrade, and the smart contract that will be allowed and supported. Take a look at the volume, 8.3 billion in last 24 hours. Take a look at the market cap as well, 87 billion, just to round it off. Top third cryptocurrency in terms of the market cap, after Bitcoin, after Ether, Cardano is there, and I believe that Cardano is new Ether if whoever has missed Ethereum in the past. Now, going back to this article, what I'm trying to talk about is why this is super important and why someone should look into it. Once again, I don't want to say you buy or you sell, because this is not a financial advice, but you definitely want to keep an eye out if you are trading in stocks and or cryptocurrency. According to the data by TradingView, as you can see right here, ADA is trading around $2.75, the 14%, more or less 14% up. Similar chart that we saw. ADA is doing so well on the day before, when the Bitcoin and Ether are down. They were down a negative 0.33%, so 1/3 of a percent, with the most plausible explanation that there is still many investors and traders who believe that the September 12th activation of Alonso's upgrade hard fork on Cardano mainnet does not really need to be one of those buy the rumor, sell the news. But I want you to be very careful with that. If you're looking for the swing trade, if you're in for the long term, don't worry about it. But make sure that you are actually keeping your eyes out. And for that reason, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because I've been sharing a ton of time sensitive updates. You can join the private Discord as well. You can join the Patreon and help support the channel. It's $5, doesn't really cost a ton of money. You can get one trade right, and you can cover that up for many more months, not only for this month. It's $5, not $4.99, not a ton of money. On a prominent crypto analyst who seemed to believe that this was coming, the capable of reaching $5, and we talked about this as well. Cardano reaching $5, and more than that, in the short term, we also talked about that this is reaching $3, and we're almost there. So let's talk about this massive bounce on Cardano. Might be $5 based on this chart. I'll share another chart and why I do think is it can hit $3, and this is precisely the chart that creates a triangle. As you can see, it went here, right? $1.89. We talked about that as well in previous videos. You can check out on my channel. But since then, it started going up, went to $2.75. And take a look at this this particular blue line. It starts going in the positive direction, and if it hits and if it creates a triangle, $3.02 does seem like doable, achievable very soon. And this chart was shared on September 9th, so it's just 2 days, and it's a massive gain. Think about it, like 30, 40, 50% making on a cryptocurrency. By the way, this is super risky investments. Do your own due diligence. Just don't go and buy anything and everything that you can, because you can make a ton of money in cryptocurrency. You know more than me. On the flip side, you can lose them as well. So don't worry too much. If you don't want to worry too much, so only invest the money that you're not willing to if you're willing to lose. In other words, basically, only invest the money that you are willing to lose, so it doesn't wake you up at night. So just wanted to share that, but this is looking pretty promising. Going back right here, looking further into this is ready for $5, and practically there are a ton of Twitter handles and a lot of other analysts are talking about the altcoins, so on and so forth, and Cardano is on the top, as you can see, gaining a lots and lots of traction. It is pretty visible from the volume as well. Take a look from Team Harrison, as they're suggesting right here as well. And September 12th is really an event, so watch out for that as well. Alonzo support includes the countdown of the Alonzo HFC upgrade, also improved presentation of the window and upcoming Treasure hardware wallet firmware update from Cardano, and there is ton. Like, I'm super excited about that. On the top of that, I want to share with you the proof of stake news and this article that just came out before a couple of days. Ethereum 2.0 ranks worst energy consumption compared to Cardano, and groundbreaking research that was done by the University College London has systematically addressed the energy consumption of a leading proof of stake networks and concluded that POS blockchains are created. Not all the POS blockchains are created equally. So it's not equal. Forecast for the future industry. There are many projects that are coming out, especially when it comes to dominant POS system, including Cardano, ADA, Algo, ALGO, XTZ, and Celo, CELO. And looking further into it, like if you're wondering what is proof of stake, this is something important that you really want to look into. POS technology allows the circumvention of the energy-intensive cryptographic problem. Basically solving to mine cryptocurrency, which is proof of work, POW systems. It allows owners to stake their tokens as a collateral, and in order to validate the transaction by consensus on the network exchanges for the reward. So practically mining for reward. In this effect, the point of POS, point of system, does not really require extra energy to prove the trustworthiness. And in this energy consumption, this is how they ranked. So our Algo is on number 5 and Cardano is on number 4, and they are both. Polkadot DOT is also ahead, but looking into Cardano, Algo, and Ethereum, Cardano is number 4. Algo and Algo is number 5, and Ether 2.0 is on number 6. Needless to say that Cardano chief Charles Hoskinson will be relieved to see that ADA score as being more energy efficient than their rival Ethereum, because I do believe that Cardano is new Ethereum, and many people who missed out on Cardano are going to ride the wave, or at least hoping to ride the wave on Cardano. So watch out for that as well. Now, looking further into this, we already looked into this. Buy, sell, we already looked into this as well. Take a look. Bitcoin started going back up 1%, getting more and more green into the crypto market. As you can see, started dropping 43,000, and since then it is about 45,000. Once again, why it is important tomorrow, let's take a look right here. And I just wanted to share this with you because this is super important. The move led the investors to re-examine the fundamental value of the altcoins right now. And if you think about the Cardano, through the lack of smart contract functionality as a consensus, and this is one of the big catalysts coming up tomorrow, guys, so watch out for that, cannot build decentralization application, and its market cap is over 80 billion right now. We saw 88, 89 billion. What's more, there are concerns about the Alonzo upgrade, which enable the smart contracts scheduled for tomorrow. As I just mentioned, big catalyst. It is not quite ready to there might be some technical issues, of course, but if things go accordingly, things go smooth, I think there is a little bit more fuel that you may see today, right now, and a lot more fuel as the upgrade goes successfully or on the other side. So let's take a look. Let's hope. I'm hoping for the best, by the way, and I'm also I just wanted to share this information with you, hoping you can also make informed financial decision, because knowledge is the key. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to like. Doesn't cost you anything. I will see you in the next video.